Hey, what's up? It's Sean. Welcome back to another awesome video. Today, we're diving into something cool and how successful businesses, brands, and even churches have built mass movements by connecting with their audience through shared identity and beliefs. So, if you're a young entrepreneur, listen up because we're about to spill the tea on how to create a mass movement for your business. So, let's get started. All right, first things first. All those successful businesses or organizations out there have one thing in common, and that's their ability to create a mass movement. But why is that so important? Well, when you get a large group of people to change and move with you, that's when you truly start making an impact. And isn't that what we all really want? To create a difference and make our mark on the world. Now, you might be thinking, but how do I create a mass movement for my business? Don't worry, I got you covered. There are three core components you need to focus on: an attractive character, a future based cause, and a new opportunity. Trust me, when you nail these three elements, you'll have your audience hooked and ready to join your movement. First up, you need an attractive character. This doesn't just mean good looks, it's about being someone that people can connect with and relate to. Be authentic, be inspiring, and most importantly, be yourself. Your audience needs to see that you're genuinely passionate about your cause, and that passion will be contagious. Next, you need a future based cause. This means giving your audience a reason to believe in your movement and get excited about the future. So paint a picture of a better world, show them the possibilities, and inspire them to join you in making it a reality. And finally, you need to offer a new opportunity. This is where you make an opportunity switch, presenting something fresh and exciting that'll help people reach their goals faster. Show them that you're just not here to make a quick buck, but to gently help them improve their lives. And trust me, when you offer a new opportunity that truly benefits your audience, they'll be eager to jump on board. And also, you're going to need a way to collect their information and stay in touch with them. And if you struggle with finding the right words to connect with your followers, I can show you what I use when I get stuck. It does everything you need and is truly a blessing. The secret sauce to creating a mass movement that'll skyrocket your business and make a real impact. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience on a deeper level, using those three core components: an attractive character, a future based cause, and a new opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and create your own movement and change the world. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Also, let me know in the comments below about your movements and a movement that you're passionate about or a movement that you're looking forward to starting. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.